Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in 99 bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of 99 Bank. For that, click on the search bar, type in bank99.at, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Bank 99. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you do not have the account yet, you can become a customer by simply clicking on this option, become a customer. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your bank account, simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find the options for online banking and banking, formerly ING. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you need is your customer number or username and password or PIN. So first of all click on the field of customer number or username. Now you'll have to provide either the customer number or your username. So simply enter the information. Likewise you'll have to enter your password or PIN. So simply click on the field of password or PIN and enter the password or PIN over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in 99 bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.